If you're looking for an affordable gift that's practical, cute, and convenient for any age, then these 30-pack top spiral memo pads from Hacaroa are a must-have. Hey guys, I'm Rebecca WTI, and I use these as party favors. And let me tell you, I was searching for the perfect little gift, and I instantly loved the variety of colors and how fun these memo pads look. The compact spiral-bound design makes them super easy to slip into gift bags, backpacks, or simply hand them out as a small surprise. I also love that you can easily add a sticker or personalize the front to make them even more adorable and special. They come in 5 assorted colors: yellow, red, green, blue, and black. Each pack includes 30 memo pads, giving you plenty of variety. What stood out to me is how versatile they are. I love having a stash ready for whenever I need a last-minute gift or party favor because there's something people can actually enjoy and use. And that's just my point of view.